What's up, y'all? Today we're going through a day in my life. Now, to be honest, I wasn't planning on doing this video, but recently I've been getting a lot of comments asking me how I make money, what I do for a living. It's simply for me to make some more vlogs. So today I'm just gonna kind of bring you along through my regular content day, what I do, how I make money, and hopefully if something interesting pops up, then I'll bring you along for that too. It already took me a little bit of extra time to get this intro shot. So honestly, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Hold on, y'all, just 1 second. I don't even know what this is. The new sample just came in. Yo, I'm so excited to show y'all this. If I'm being real, I definitely faked that last sequence for the vlog because I did actually get these samples yesterday, but I've been really trying to save my first impressions for the camera so you guys can get my raw reaction. So let's just kind of go through them. So I guess, guys, revenue stream number one for myself is my clothing brand. Even though I've yet to take any money out, this is just one of my side hustles that I currently have. And recently I just sold out in our premium crop blank tees. So these first few samples here are just a few different colorways that I wanted to test out in the blank tee. If I'm being honest, recently the brand is something that I've kind of gone ghost on, and that's mostly just because I've been waiting on these samples to come in. So now that I finally have these samples in, I can get back to posting and yeah, I guess just showing you guys the behind the scenes process of everything. It is a size medium and I'm happy to say that it fits perfectly. This material is slightly thicker than the white ones that we did, and I did fix the sizing around a little bit, so now it's actually like the perfect fitting tee. It is cropped, but not too cropped to where your whole belly button is gonna be showing. And yeah, it's just gonna be a good affordable basic to have in your closet. Now this is the brown color. It does have the same fit, of course. There are really like 3 colors that I wear a ton, and it's white, black, and brown. So this is definitely another staple that I'm gonna be wearing a ton, and hopefully you guys will like as well when it drops. Finally is that cream color. Again, the fit is just exactly what I wanted. The only thing that I'm not happy with is the actual cream itself. I'm gonna try and get some close up for you guys, but I just feel like it's a little bit too yellow. And yeah, that's basically all I can say. It's a blank tee. I do have 3 other samples though, so let's go ahead and check those out. Now guys, if I'm being honest, this is really what I was excited for. This is just one of 3 colors that we're testing out currently for our New Jersey drop. Now y'all, our first looks and first feel, it looks amazing, and the quality, thickness, and everything is exactly what I was hoping for. This black, gray, and white color is currently my favorite. On the side, I have the World Gone Mad patch with the 3 stars. And on the back, we have the number, and of course, Familia, which is my last name, but also is Spanish for family. That's definitely a huge key message in my brand. Family is everything. So that's kind of how I came up with this piece. But yeah, this is version 1 of the sample. I just said the last one's my favorite, but honestly, I don't even know. I love all 3 colors. I think my manufacturer went crazy on these. Stitching and everything, they executed. I'm not gonna lie, they went crazy, and I'm so excited to drop these ones. The third and final color I got is this yellow and green. And again, just another banger color. This shit will work for the summer. Now the fall's coming up, I think the fall as well. I don't know, y'all. I'm like low-key speechless. I'm so happy with the way these turned out. And I hope you guys are too. But now that I have these in, I might have to just like refigure my schedule a little bit because I do want to film something in these. I got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna clean up this little mess that I just created for myself, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a second. Y'all, so it's a little bit afternoon, and this is like usually the time that I like to post on Instagram. Currently on Instagram, I have about 47,000 followers, but since I'm Canadian, I make absolutely $0 from Instagram itself. Mind you, that's Instagram itself. So that just means I don't get the Reels bonus, but don't let that discourage you because you can still make money. I mean, I've been making money on Instagram since I had like 9,000 followers. And here is one of the ways how. Today, I'm gonna be posting this video. I might have to take out the sound for copyright purposes, but this is an Instagram Reel series that I've been posting for a few months now, and it's Amazon finds that I can't live without. Even though I'm not making money off views, when I post these videos, I link people to my Amazon storefront, and if people end up shopping on Amazon from my storefront link, then I make a commission off of whatever they buy. Now, to be transparent, you only really get about 3 to 5% commission when it comes to this, but if you're actually selling a lot of things, the money starts to add up. Most people really won't show you this, but this is the back end of my Amazon storefront. And you can see right here in the month of August, I've made $1,500. Now, by no means is that gonna pay your rent and supply your whole lifestyle, but when you're making $1,500 from this, you have a brand, you're also making money from YouTube, it all kind of starts to add up. And I understand realistically, most of you guys aren't gonna have 30, 40,000 followers, but I can go back to just a few months ago, still made $347, and I probably only had about 8,000 followers on Instagram at the time. Now y'all, basically all I had to do is just type up a quick caption. Can't live without. Alright y'all, after you have the actual in-video captions done, make sure you have a nice cover because it's important that you're able to read the text from the actual cover on the profile. And finally, type up a caption that will get you some type of comments, a follow, shares, really just any type of interaction. When I'm done typing up a caption for a video like this, it will usually look something like this. Now that I have that posted, I'm gonna quickly do the same thing and post it on my YouTube Shorts, and then probably spend the next 30 minutes to an hour just replying to comments, getting back to people. Because honestly, building an audience is tough, but not nearly as hard as it is maintaining one. So I'm definitely gonna spend a little bit of time getting back to all of y'all. What's up, y'all? So it's about 1:30 now, and I'm finished everything I need to do when it comes to like Instagram and YouTube. I got all my content posted and everything. Now is the part of the day where I've actually got to film and create some new content. And I've actually been holding off on 2 videos in particular to include in this vlog because they're not like my regular ones. Usually I'm filming in my room and just, you know, doing some pretty basic Instagram stuff. But I got 2 products sent in to me a few weeks ago, and today I'm gonna work on both of those videos to just get them done and out the way. The first item I received was this pocket dispo lens, and it's crazy because it doesn't look like it, but this is actually a lens that fits on this camera right here. Basically, a company took apart one of these disposable cameras, then they 3D printed a casing so that it could hold your lens and fit on your camera. Today I'm gonna go out with my boy AG and get a few shots using this. And then the second task for today is going to a record store because Victrola sent me out this amazing record player like a month ago. And for the video, I actually bought this album because I never had a record player before. But today I actually want to go record shopping, so AG's gonna help me film just like the process of me going to the record store. I have my work cut out for me for the most part, so I'm just gonna get ready and get all my camera gear packed. Then I'll pick up the camera when I'm with AG and show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes when creating content. Alright y'all, so I really am about to head out in a few minutes, but I kind of just got a little bit hungry, so before I leave, I'm just gonna eat real quick. Luckily, last night I did make some pesto, so I'm really just gonna eat some leftovers, but y'all can't tell me this ain't looking good. So I'm gonna dig into this really quickly, and then we're officially heading out to go film. All right, y'all, I'm here with AG, and we're pulling up to Dr. Disc. It's a little spot in the city where you can grab records. It's the cameraman for today. How you feeling about that?
You know the vibes. Been here before. Ain't nothing new.
Today he's getting paid in exposure. So, you know, go follow his Instagram. But yeah, we're just gonna run in there and get a few clips and see if I can find myself a nice album or vinyl that I can get. And I really don't want anything I have in my Spotify playlist, so let's see what type of heat we can get. I'm gonna try and see if I can find some R&B, maybe some Michael Jackson. That would be something nice. But as you can see, I got a lot to look through, so I'm just gonna see if I can find something I like, something that I can afford also, because that's important. That's key. We're always on a budget. It's my first time here, and I honestly don't know what I expected. 2 floors is not what it was. I'll tell you that. There's so many vinyls here. Went through like the whole bottom floor, but we got clearly a ton to go through up here. I'm gonna continue looking. I have 2 contenders right now, but we'll check in with you when it's time to leave and check out because I'm trying to get through this a little bit faster. I got 3 albums, 3 that I've actually never heard. We got that done. Now we just gotta go and find a spot to shoot. I'm gonna get AG in one of the samples. We're gonna shoot with the pocket dispo lens. I'm gonna give it like a little test run, see how I like it. I'm gonna show you guys the lens in a second. I know I showed it earlier, but it's so OD how small it is. There you go, now we're ready to shoot. You feeling it? Nah, it looks cool.
I actually really like the jersey though, bro. I can't cap. I cannot cap.
All right, finally, I'm back home. Got the gear, the shoot's all done. You're relieved of your duties, sir. I just realized at no point did I even actually like pull out the albums and show you guys what I got. Let's just go through what I just got from the, Dr. Disc, the vinyl store? I don't know what to call it. Got this New Edition album, Candy Girl. This is like the first song that introduced me to New Edition, so I mean, it's just a really dope cover, I'm not gonna lie. Besides Candy Girl, I don't think I know any of these songs. Second one, James Brown. Again, I don't know a single song on this whole record, but that's kind of why I got this final one. Shout out to my boy AG, because he's the one that actually like talked to the guy to even find this. Bob Marley Live. Gonna have to get a few more shots for the actual brand deal itself, but I'm gonna probably do that later. As for right now, I have this package a company sent me out these automatic like Alexa shades. So basically I'm about to take down my blinds and set these ones up. Then I think the last task of the night, I do have to send some brand emails, so I'm gonna get on that. Yeah, it's time to get to work, so let's get to it. Currently, I'm only having one issue. I just haven't been able to get it set up my Alexa yet, but this is hard. It's gonna perfectly block out all the light, and I'm definitely gonna insert some dope clips on it. But I got this product from Smart Wings, and they have all types of crazy customization. So if you guys wanna check out their product, I'll make sure to link the website down below. Their product is honestly really dope quality. Yeah guys, it's been a pretty productive day. I do have a little bit of editing to do, and that's probably what I'll end my night off with. But it's already about 9 o'clock, so it's pretty late, and I'm not thinking that we're gonna start the bathroom stuff. But before I finish this vlog off, I do have to send a few emails. Gotta get back to some brand deals. I seen Dick's Sporting Goods in there, so that's dope. And like I said, I did see a few comments asking on how I make money. And of course, throughout this video, I showed you guys that I have a brand, I make money on Amazon. But my two other main revenue sources is of course YouTube. So I get ad revenue for every video I post. And of course, brand deals. I do brand deals on both Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I mean, my TikTok's kind of dead now, but I used to. And yeah, sending emails is usually how I end off every single day. You know, there's a ton of opportunities that come from brands to editors, thumbnail designers, so checking your email is definitely important. Damn, I'm about to end this video and I forgot to show you guys my bedside table. Probably gonna get some more clips of it and everything, but it's leather, it's so beautiful. And I waited about 2 months for it to come in, so that's really dope. In my opinion, it was worth the wait. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I have plenty of content coming very soon. Be sure to stay with me because we're on the road to 50K. As always guys, I love y'all. Peace.